Alright folks, we have this 2008 Goodman GSC13 just started up right now. It's a Copeland reciprocating compressor. It's a Goodman, that ones I put it on last time. It's all off with the tape. Here's this Goodman, miles fan motor. It's got a CR compressor, Copeland RECIP. It's a 14 SEER, and this is a 2008 3-ton. Mine is cold, outdoor temperatures. Can barely stop warming or something like that, but here's this Goodman. Here's a nice Copeland reciprocating, and I also got a tripod from this air conditioner. So yeah, it's all the air conditioners, Copeland reciprocating compressor. This was actually built by early 2000s with the CKLs because the 2009 Goodman has a little RECR compressor. Energy guide is faded. Looks like the same thing as the units down here. But yeah, he also put a zip tie and screws on there. You can probably see the fan grills is not that originally that bad though, so you get me. So it's not that bad of the reciprocating compressor. But try to put the logos on here. It doesn't sound like a Bristol, it sounds like a Copeland. So like when I try to put the Goodman on here, the logo will automatically fall off. See? Yeah. So yeah. Like I say, the Goodman has not been running as recently, so I'm gonna keep filming. Oh yeah, the Goodman will be like this, like the Grand Airs or something like. Yeah, the Goodman has to be on the side right now. Just like the Grand Air from 2010. The thing about it, the 2010 is the Grand Air just replaced a 2017 Carrier Comfort series that has a air conditioner just started up recently, and I basically got the tripod to basically move your camera around, but it needs this thing to hold your phone up, and that's basically I have one of those neighbors that has Goodmans around here, and yeah, next to the right houses here, it's a Goodman, just like exact same as this one here. The Goodman seems to be in a good condition, like I cleaned that out last time. So that is a GSC13. Yeah, that is a GSC13. You see the compressor, phase 1, max of 253. You can barely see the compressor. You can see it through the coil. Yeah, here's the lines. Looks a bit dirty too. Coils on the side. All of that one here. So this is a central air conditioner. That little CR down there. It's getting warm. Nice. It's just like 70 degrees outside, you know. Yeah. Oh, the logo just dropped again, so sorry. I'm trying to put it back on again. Let me put it up to the side over here. So the air conditioner is good. Cold and sweaty. Sorry, got my hands all messed up. Yeah, the logo's all messed up. Needs a new logo too. So the logos needs to be faded on the side. So this is a Goodman with the Copeland reciprocating. Goodmans are in mint condition. You can hear the nice Goodman. It's part of the compressor. I love this nice compressor. It just sounds like a Copeland Scroll. That's the same thing, or the Carlisle, but it's a Copeland. And that's why it's from 2008 3-ton. So that is a bigger unit. The platforms, pad, It looks in mint condition, but it needs to be cleaned. So it's just like from our apartment complex that has Central Goodmans. So I think it will hold, but I'm not sure yet. So, but that is a bad old compressor sound. So yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna shut down. So yeah, there's the Goodman. That'll be it, folks. Over and out. I'm gonna start getting inside right now before the rain starts coming down. So yeah, peace out, folks. We got suction line, spider webs on it. So yeah, that'll be it, folks. Over and out. Here's your big compressor. It's been running, so it's been good compressor. It's faded. It's got a Copeland reciprocating compressor. Here's a compressor serial number. My cameras have too much. My cameras having a hard focus. All right, that'll be it, folks. Over and out. Peace out.